Hi everyone, I'm Lucky from SIPUXIN. Today I will introduce our perfume filling line to you. This line divided into several parts include air care balloon cleaning and the ultraviolet disinfection part, the filling part, the capping part, and the medial seats part. All these lines equipped with the bottle clamping conveyor belt. The purpose is to fix the position of the bottle, and we also equip with the sensor to sense the bottle. Now let's introduce this part to you one by one. This is our bottle clamping conveyor belt, and this is the model of this belt. Now let's introduce our air bottle cleaning machine to you. It can remove the dust in the bottle by ion static eliminations, high press cleaning air blowing, and vacuum suction without water. This is our ultraviolet disinfection machine. It divides a lot of light so that it can kill the bacteria to make sure the bottle's quality. This is our filling machine. It has 3 nozzles and these are pipes to connect with the storage tank and the machine, so that this pipe can discharge the finished product from the tank into here and then filling into the bottles. This is our capping part and it's our capping machine. We equip, as you can see, we equip a cap loading machine. This, first of all, you need to put all the caps into here. Then the cap will go by the tunnel one by one, and the tunnel will remove the cap to here. After putting the cap into the bottle, it will keep moving to here. This machine is used to fix the position of the cap. And keep going here. It will stop capping. This is our medial seats machine. As you can see, we also equip a cap loading machine, so that the medial cap can keep removed by the tunnel and removed to here, so that our tongues can catch it and put it on the bottles. After moving to here, this machine will press it to fix the position, like this. And after all the process, this product has been finished filling, and these tongues will catch them out to here and keep moving. And now let me show you how to use it. First of all, you need to choose your language, for example, like Chinese or English. And then it will show all the parameters to you. You can set all of these, for example, the bottle function, the bottle filling picture, palm head, and so on, as you can see on here. And after you adjust all the parameters, you just need to choose the first choice. And then first thing you need to do is to create a recipe. And then name it as you like for ABC or any other things, and then choose OK. Then you need to choose this read data, so that machine can read the data. As you can see, it has been changed. After this, you need to save the data, and it had been created. Then you can choose return. If the next time you also want to use this data, just come back to this picture and then choose the download data, and it will remove all the data you had adjusted before. This is all the process of our product line. SIPUXIN, a company have more than 24 years experience. Think twice. If you are interested in this product, welcome contact me. Thank you.